The BMS A035 error code in your Tesla Model 3 indicates a fault within the battery management system. This system is crucial for monitoring battery cell health, temperature, and voltage. The battery management system, or BMS, is the brain that oversees your vehicle's battery pack, ensuring everything operates safely and efficiently. The BMS constantly monitors critical battery parameters, including cell health, temperature, and voltage levels to maintain optimal performance. The error suggests potential issues with high voltage contactors, which are relays that safely connect and disconnect the battery from the vehicle's electrical systems. It may also indicate voltage imbalances within the battery pack, where individual cells don't maintain consistent voltage levels, or communication failures between the BMS and other vehicle systems that rely on precise data exchange. Addressing this BMS A035 error promptly is essential for maintaining safe and optimal vehicle operation. The BMS A035 error typically arises from one of three core problems. First, high voltage contactors, which are relays that connect and disconnect the battery, may malfunction due to arcing or voltage spikes. Second, voltage imbalances within the battery cells, where one cell might drop below 3.0 volts, can trigger the code. Finally, communication errors within the car's network, such as the CAN bus, can occur due to electromagnetic interference or software glitches. Each requires specific diagnostic steps. In many cases, around 70%, BMS A035 can be resolved through software updates. Tesla often releases over-the-air updates that include BMS firmware reflashes. Ensure your car is connected to Wi-Fi and check for available updates in the vehicle settings. If an update doesn't automatically install, you may need to schedule a service appointment for a manual reflash. Tesla's service bulletins indicate that recent updates have reduced manual interventions by about 40%. When software solutions like firmware reflashes fail to resolve the BMS A035 error, the issue is likely hardware-related. Faulty high-voltage contactors may stick or fail due to arcing from voltage spikes, preventing proper battery isolation and triggering the fault code. In such cases, contactor replacement is often required. This repair typically costs between $500 and $1,500 and must be performed by qualified Tesla technicians who use insulated tools and follow safety protocols to handle the high voltages involved. In more severe cases where battery pack degradation has occurred, a full battery pack swap may be necessary. This extensive repair costs upwards of $10,000 and requires professional handling due to the complex high-voltage systems involved. Given the high voltages and potential fire risks involved, these hardware repairs should only be performed by qualified Tesla technicians. DIY attempts can lead to serious injury, vehicle damage, or void warranties, so always consult professional service for these complex fixes. Consider a 2019 Model 3 in California that experienced recurrent BMS A035 after a heat wave. Diagnostics revealed electromagnetic interference from nearby power lines. The fix involved installing a shielded harness and updating the firmware. Another case involved a fleet of New York City taxis, where a software update caused voltage drift in high-mileage packs. Tesla issued a bulletin for free contactor replacements, improving fleet uptime significantly. These examples highlight the diverse causes and solutions for this error. While some Tesla owners have documented DIY fixes, such as cleaning corroded battery terminals or using custom scripts to reset the BMS, these actions are generally not recommended and can void your warranty. Tampering with the high-voltage system poses a significant risk of electric shock and fire. The high-voltage battery in a Tesla Model 3 operates at around 350 to 400 volts, which can cause severe injury or start fires if mishandled. It's crucial to consult Tesla service for any battery-related issues to ensure safety and maintain warranty coverage. Professional technicians have the proper training and equipment to handle these high-voltage systems safely. Tesla is actively improving BMS technology in newer models like the Cybertruck and refreshed Model 3s with more robust designs and AI-driven predictive maintenance. The transition to solid-state batteries in the future could potentially eliminate BMS A035 errors altogether. Until then, ensure your Model 3 receives regular maintenance, promptly address any warning signs, and stay updated with Tesla's latest software releases to minimize the risk of encountering this error.